Hola, I will show you how to learn Spanish numbers. From 0 to 15, the only way is memorizing. You have to memorize everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. From 16 to 19, you have this rule. 10 plus 6 is 16. 10 más 6, 16. 17, 18, 19. Now, from 20 to 29, from 20 to 29, we have this rule. You have to plus 20 y 1 all together, and you have to think that the e of 20 disappears. Now we have 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. From 30 to 39, now from here we are going to have three words. It's going to be 31, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. We have to write three words, but when you say the word is only one. 32, 33. To finish, we are going to follow the same rule for the rest of the numbers until 100. That means if it's 40, 40, you are gonna say 42, 44, 45, 46. And now, if you wanna know how it says 40, 50, 60, the only way is memorizing again. Okay? 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 y 100. 100. Okay? Adiós.